Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students, myself Rafaqat Ali, and today we are going to start a new topic. The topic is geometry. It's chapter number 4. So first of all, for finding the geometry concepts, we need to know some introductory points. For finding the geometry concepts, or for trying to understand the geometry, we need some basic concepts about the angles, about the relation of the angles, what is right angle, what is the circle, how many degrees in the circle, etc. A lot of things. So in the next slides we will discuss these things, so keep in touch. Let's start. Fundamental rules of geometry. You can see on your screen, this is a circle, and in a circle 360 degrees total, and from here to here this is half circle. In the half circle 180 degrees, and this is 90 degree angle. From here to here the angle is showing the 90 degree. Now angles on the straight line. Angles on the straight line. See, angles on the straight line. This is the straight line and this line is perpendicular line. So in the perpendicular, one side is 90 degree and the other side is 90 degree. Angles on the straight line have sum of 180 degrees. So from here to here it is 180. You can see this green and this purple area. Purple area is 120, so definitely it will be 60. It is 120, so this green area should be 60. And the vertical opposite angles are equal. These are the rules. Angles on the straight line have sum of 180. The vertical opposite angles are equal. A plus 60 degree is equals to 180. This A and this 60, 180 degrees. So the A will be, when you bring this to the other side, it will be minus. So A is equals to 120. See, calculate the missing angles in each diagram. See, from here to here 180. If this is 50, so it will be definitely 130 degrees. If it is 35, 180 minus 35 will be the B. If it is 74, 180 minus 74 will be the C, and from here the D will be 180 minus 40 is D, and definitely if D and F are equal, because these are the opposite angles, because vertical opposite angles are equal, this is the rule. D is 140, so definitely F will be 140, and if E is opposite to 40, so it is E is 40 degrees. And here, from here to here 180 degrees. So 50 plus 60, 110 minus G, minus 180 will be the G. 180 minus 110 is equal to G. 180 minus 110 equals 70. So the value of G would be 70. Now it is 135 and J will be 100, I will be 135. So 135 minus 80, 180 would be the value of H. In this way H is equals to J. These are the basic rule. Okay, now the next. Vertical opposite angles, as we see in the previous slide, this is the rule. Vertical opposite angles, this angle C and D are equal, A and B are equal, and sum of all these would be equal 180. From this point to this point on the line A, from here to here it will be 180, and on the line C from here to here it is 180 degree. So now the next, the similar one, opposite angles. This is opposite angles are equal, opposite vertical angles are equal. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of interior angles is 180 degrees always. Sum of interior angles always 180 degrees, and sum of exterior angles would be 360 degrees always. This is the rule for triangles. Now triangle sum theorem. The sum of the three interior angles is always 180 degrees. See, from here to here, these are the exterior angles. This half angle, if it is, for example, this one is 10, this 20, so 10 plus 20 minus 180 will be the C. See, this angle 82 and this 55. If this is 82 and it is 55, what would be the third one? 82 plus 55 equal 137. Now 180 minus 137 equal 43. Now the types of the triangle. This is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is the triangle when the two sides equal, when the two sides and two angles equal. See, these two sides equal and two angles equal. 50-50 and these two sides. 59-59 and these two sides equal. Is 65-65 and these two sides are equal. Two equal angles and two equal sides. If two angles are equal, two sides are equal. This is called isosceles triangle. Again, two angles and two sides equal, so it is called isosceles triangle. These are different types of isosceles triangles. Add up of the angle at the point is 360. It means that if you start from this point to the all points and come back here, like in the circle, so the sum will be 360 degrees. Again, the same vertical angles are equal. Now see here, this, if you will start from this point 0, one quadrant is equal to 90 degrees. 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Again, if you start from here 0, this will be 90, this will be 180, 270 and at the time this place will be 0. Okay, now from this positive side to the negative side, it is called coterminal angles, coterminal positive angles. From this side, this is called coterminal, means one quadrant to the other quadrant. It is called coterminal angle. Angles in the quadrilateral. Now in the quadrilateral, all the angles A, B, C, D, sum of the all four angles would be 360. The sum of interior angles in the triangle was 180, and in the quadrilateral the sum of the all interior angles, these are the interior angles A, B, C and D, it is equal to 360 always. This is the rule. Sum of angles in the quadrilateral, interior angles and the exterior angles. These are A, B, C, D are the interior angles, and sum of interior angles is 360, but the sum of exterior angles is also 360. Sum of exterior angles always would be 360 degrees, rather it is triangle, it is pentagon, it is quadrilateral, it is decagon, whatever. The exterior angle sum would be 360 degrees always. Interior angle sum can be different. Like that in the triangle it was 180, here 360 degrees. This is equilateral triangle. Definition of equilateral triangle: all the angles equal and all the sides equal. This is called equilateral triangle. And the third type is right triangle. If the sum, if one angle is 90 degree in a triangle, it is called right angled triangle. So these are the three types of triangle we need to understand. Equilateral triangle, all sides, all angles equal. The isosceles triangle, two sides, two angles equal. And if one angle is 90 degree, so it is called right triangle. So now come to the lesson on the book. See here, page number 125. You should already be familiar with the following results. Number 1, the angle on the straight line add up to 180. See, 180. we have explained already. Vertical opposite angles are equal. A and A equal. Here B and B would be equal. 3. The angle sum of the triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the triangle interior angles, it is about the interior angles, 180 degrees. An isosceles triangle has two sides and two angles same. In any isosceles triangle, two sides and two angles would be equal. The angles at the point add up to 360. Means from one point move to the other point and complete the circle, 360 degrees total angle. The angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. This is about the interior angles. An equilateral triangle has three sides and three angles are same. If all the angles and all the sides equal, it is called equilateral triangle. With the help of these concepts, we can solve this exercise 1. Find the angles marked with letters. AB is always a straight line. AB is always a straight line. So from here to here, what will be the value of A? It is very easy to understand. Add 25 plus 60, then 180 minus 85, because the sum of 60 and 25 is 85. 180 minus 85 would be A, means 95 will be the value of A. Like this you can solve question number 2, 3, 4. Here we need the angle E. What you will do? First you will find out this angle from here. 180 is the sum of the triangle. 71 plus 58. 71 plus 58 minus 180. In this way you can get this third angle. After that, from here to here, 180 degrees. So 180 minus this answer will be the value of E. So use the sense and solve the questions. This exercise you can solve all the questions easily. So if you feel any problem, we can discuss in the next lesson. Highlight the questions which you need to explain. So I'll try to explain that question on the board. So then the next lesson would be the polygons. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Take care. See you soon.